Hi, this is Tomer, and I'd like to show you today a program called Artisteer. It's a program when you design a website, you can start off with a blank page, or you can start off with a template. And a template is a pre-design of the pages. You continue from the pre-design and add your own custom text and headings and menu items. Um, More up until recently, up until a few years ago, when you wanted a template to start off your website with, you'd have to go to a template designer and have one design. Last few years, a few programs came out that design templates and let you customize them. Artisteer is one of those programs. What it does is let you design a template for for either an HTML website, WordPress, Blogger, ASP.NET, all these Drupal, Joomla, the .NET Nuke, and CodeCharge Studio. So basically what it does, it starts you off with a template that you use as a baseline to start the design. You can click on Suggest Design here. There's two options in Artisteer. One is to suggest a certain feature like fonts, colors, layout, background, menus, and then there's the option of specifically configuring every aspect yourself without needing to know any CSS, any HTML, or any programming languages at all. So I'll start off. I'll show you the suggest feature. So suppose this design here is not exactly what you want to start off with. You can click on suggest design. It will give you another design. Again, suggest design will give you another design. And like this, you can go scroll through different designs until you find one that you like. Let's see, this is an okay design. So let's customize this design for instance. Suppose the background is not good enough. I can go suggest background. Notice it suggests a background with theme colors. Okay, so suppose I want to customize this design a little bit further to more specific design. So I don't like a big header menu like here. I like it to be shorter. So I go to header, I go to height, and I make it 100 pixels. So that's better. It's shorter. I can put a headline, my software review.com, software review by expert tutor. Okay. For instance, if this top menu is not exactly what I want, I can go to menu, I go suggest menu, and I'll get different menus. Okay. If the menu position is not something I like at all, okay, looks better. I can go to the layout and I can say, for instance, here that I want the menu to be the width of the sheet width or the page width. The same thing with the header and the footer. There's different designs here. Everything can be designed. Let's say I want the menu to be inside. You see, that's on the top, and that's the top menu. Regarding the vertical menu, let's see. And suppose I don't like that. I go to vertical menu. I go suggest menu. It doesn't fit right. Doesn't fit right. Okay, that's a bit better. Okay, I'll select the sub-menus. Suppose, let's say that the menu items font is a little bit too small for the sub-menus. I can go here to sub-menus, text, size, I can go 12. So if you look now, see it's bigger. But now it's too big compared to the main menu item, so I can go to the main menu item, size 12 also. Okay, now if I want an icon, let's say, to be displayed to the left of the menu, I go to sub-item, icon, and let's say I want this icon. Okay, and this way you can completely customize everything. Let's say you don't want a search box. I can erase it. And in this way you can basically design everything. Let's say the sheet, the width of the screen, let's say we want it 900 pixels, shadows, and this way you design the whole thing. When you're done, you basically click on File, Export, and you can export it. Right now it's chosen as a WordPress theme. So what it does is create a zip file, and this zip file goes right into WordPress, which means or to whatever blogging software you use or templating software you use. In WordPress under install, I'll show you it. Hold on one second. Okay, so here when you go to appearances in the theme, you go to themes, install themes, upload, and here you can upload the zip file, which means you just browse and you take, these are templates that I created earlier. I'm not going to upload them, but it's going to change. You select the zip file that's created from right here from the export utility, and it basically makes the WordPress theme whatever you design here, and it looks exactly the same. The only thing you'll need to do on the WordPress is that under the widgets, you'll have to put a vertical menu in one of the areas, and set your vertical menu. Set the menu option from the menu here that you designed for the application. Okay, so that's it. It's a very good program. I highly recommend it. It's called Artisteer, and it allows you to basically. I like the fact that I can have control of designing the template by looking at it without needing so much programming HTML and CSS writing behind it, or I don't have to basically limit myself to pre-designed templates that I can change just the menu or just the text. You know, here for instance, if I have, the sheet has two columns. You see the right column and left column. If I wanted, I could choose the layout. Let's see, where is it? It's in the, I think it's in the sheet. It's in the sheet. Okay, layouts. This is the top layouts. Oh, columns. Here we go. Columns. Let's say I want 3 columns. So now I have 3 columns. Doesn't look very good. Can put the columns like this. It's not wide enough. Can go sheet width 1000 pixels. Now it's better. Okay, so that's how you basically design the whole website, and you upload a template and start producing your pages. Thank you.